back, it's Just Raj. So we're back to another Unboxing Thursdays.
So, what is the product review for today? It's actually already in play. It's already reviewed, or it's actually being reviewed right now by you. It's this. It's my microphone. It's my microphone. So why? Because I thought about it and I was like, many people will be suffering about things that they have to buy, but then when they are filming or videographing or doing videos, the most important that they forget is buying a microphone. So this is a cheaper end of microphone, as you can see. Although it says 98 ringgit, I actually got it for a discount. I got it for 58 ringgit. So, and it's a good brand, Boya. If you want further information, you can obviously go to their website and check out. I bought this in Camera Valley, a shop in Damansara. So if you want to find out more about camera equipments, microphones, stands and whatever not, go to them. It's pretty good. So, as you can already know, it's quite clear and it's omnidirectional. So it's not just directed to one side, it captures the surrounding. And also it's a very good noise canceller. That's the most important that everybody looks for, you know? Like when you look for a microphone, you actually look for something that like cancels out the noise so that you only hears your own audio. And like that's the most important. Like that's like I was staring at the sky. Like that's the most important you can ever get for a microphone. Something that cancels the noise so that you can talk. And especially in making videos, it's crucial. So let's unbox it. So obviously, when I first got it, it gave me a semi-leather, fake leather kind of pouch, and inside there was two stuff. One is the condenser that I'm already wearing here, which is this. As you can see, there's a small condenser already attached to the microphone. And the second is a bigger audio jack. Right, this is for large speakers, like really large speakers. You know the speakers like this, right? It's like huge, right? Like this. So this is the large speakers for it. So this is the jack for it. And inside there were obviously some warranty cards, just to, you know. And this, when there's warranty card, you pretty much know that it's quality. Like if there's warranty card, it's a pro tip, right? If there's warranty card, it's quality. Don't worry about it. And there's a very nice small kind of card also, which is Versus Hancock wireless headphone. I don't know what this is, but I guess so you should check it out. I will check it out also. And it has a code behind it. It's a QR code, so if you can capture it, try to capture it and see where it leads you. Don't worry, it's not going to be some anonymous and some random ass website, I can assure you, hopefully. Anyway, so I'll be trying this. I'll be wearing the same microphone for the next couple of videos that I have, so that you will have a better audio from me and not have some background noise. And why I said, you know, after all of this, you must be wondering, is it really that bad? He's in like a studio, like a place. Is it actually gonna be like the sound is gonna be still pretty much the same? You're wrong. You're really wrong. You know why? I can show you the difference. So now I'm gonna use microphone, and now I'm gonna use this camera audio. And this is what I mean by it. This is why I said the microphone is so good, because as you may have noticed, the difference in the camera audio was tremendous, right? There's so much of noise, there's so much of like just extra noise that is not in there, and you're not even focusing on my voice. Come, my voice, right? You wanna hear my voice, right? Very good, you know. Oh, that's so lame.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not actually, because you know what, I don't care. Anyways, so this is my second video. This is my second video for Unboxing Thursdays. So if you want to watch my first video, it's gonna be here. And please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you need to, whatever the standard is, whatever the mainstream is, and please share, because I really think that Malaysians need this. They need product reviews. They need to know what is the product they're buying. Is it actually worth it? And is it actually gonna be lasting? So anyways, it's been your boy Just Raj, and don't forget to leave a good like. Peace out.